Today I'm going to show you RockRose Building Tint. It's an easy guide to follow the instructions, the perfect way to add the privacy daytime, to build the UV rays, this is the bronze color. It's one side bronze and the other one is silver. The perfect way to add daytime privacy. Reduce glare and block out 70% of the heat and UVA rays. We have different colors: bronze, gold, blue, black and silver, and blackout and silver. All the tints have the silver outside. Our RockRose is professional green tint compared to another films on Amazon. Ours is most clear, lasts longer, and blocks more heat. Here are the tools that you will need. A spray bottle with a soapy water, a squeegee, stainless steel knife, a strange edge, a ruler, a microfiber cloth. First, clean your gloves with the soapy water and clean it with the microfiber cloth. Any dirt or debris can cause bubbles. Next, make sure your window and cut the tint with 1 inch on each side. Remember your size and then cut the film. Then you have to put more water so you can put the film and take it off the protective film. Put a little bit of water in the corner and take it off the film. Need to put a water so it can be dirty. It out for more water in the window so you can move the film. Then you have to squish it in the middle. And then you have to press to take out the bubbles. You can do this for one more time so you can make sure you don't have bubbles. Finally, trim the edge using your straight edge and utility knife for a clean finish. After 30 days, removal is just as easy. Simple film from one corner, no residue, no damage. Ready to take control for your privacy and comfort? Try RockRose Building Tint today. Quick to install and even easier to love.